Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will show you how to fix the Android phone green screen. On Android devices, the green screen may appear suddenly, which can be very frustrating. It usually makes users see a display that does not work properly or has a greenish color. What will you do if your Android phone has a green screen of death? No matter what the situation, you can follow me to fix green screen on Android phone. By understanding the cause of the problem, you may be able to fix it yourself. This video is suitable for mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently and I believe it will help you get rid of the green screen on Android. The main reasons behind the Android phone turned green may be the following, mainly divided into two directions: software and hardware. Battery problem: rapid battery consumption usually causes the phone turn green. Storage space: if there is not enough storage space, apps and system apps may not be able to create temporary files, which can also cause the Android phone screen as green. Third-party applications: if the third-party applications you downloaded are not compatible with the Android device, this will also cause the Android phone has a green screen. Software issues: temporary glitches in the software are also one of the main culprits for the Android phone green screen problem. Hardware issues: damage to the screen or motherboard can also cause the phone screen to turn green. Hopefully, these reasons answer why is my screen turning green on my Android phone. Now it's time to see how to fix Android phone green screen. Follow me and try the following simple and quick methods to fix the green tint on Android phone screen. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to plug in the charger. To find out if the battery is causing the phone screen green tint Android, you can plug your phone into the charger. After charging the phone for 2 hours, turn it back on again to check if the problem is solved. Method 2 is to force restart your Android device. If the green lines on Android phone screen is caused by a temporary error in the software, a force restart can be effective. Force restarting can fix most temporary errors/bugs caused by software, and it is very simple and only requires you to press and hold the force restart key combination. To force restart your Android phone, press and hold the force restart key combination on your phone. The combination of keys for the forced restart of the Samsung phone in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination of keys for the forced restart of your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the Android phone to restart. After the restart is complete, your Android phone will open normally and enter the home screen. Method 3 is to clean up the storage space. If the storage space on the Android device is insufficient, less than 10%, the Android device may have various problems, and Android phone green screen issues are one of them. To solve this problem, please check and clean up the storage space of the Android phone. You need to open the phone settings, find and click General Management in the phone settings, enter the General Management interface, click Storage, and check whether your space is less than 10% or less in the storage interface. At this time, please find and click the Clean Now button to clean the cache. After the cleaning work is completed, please restart the phone and check whether the Android phone green screen issues are resolved. Method 4 is to restart to safe mode. When third-party applications fail, carry viruses or have compatibility issues, the problem of green screen of death on Android phone will also occur. The best way to check if the problem is caused by a third-party app is to restart your phone to safe mode. Safe mode runs your Android phone without any third-party apps. It only runs apps that come pre-installed on your Android device. To boot your Android phone into safe mode, follow these steps. First, make sure your Android phone is off. Then, press and hold the power button. When the phone logo appears on the screen, release the power button and press and hold the volume down button. If done correctly, your Android phone should turn on and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If your Android phone works and appears normal in safe mode, there may be a problem with the third-party apps you downloaded and installed. Delete the suspicious third-party apps one by one and verify them. Finally, your problem will be solved. To exit safe mode, restart your Android phone. Method 5 is to return to the new state. If your Android phone still shows a green screen, it means that none of the above fixes worked. In this case, you can only restore your phone to factory settings. Remember, restoring the factory settings will delete all data and settings on the phone, so if you need the data in your Android phone, please back up important data before restoring the factory settings. Next, follow the steps below to enter the Android phone recovery mode to restore the factory settings. Please connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable, then make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. After that, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen, and don't let go during this time. In the Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option and press the power button to confirm. After that, use the volume down button again to select Restore Factory Settings and use the power button to select the Yes option to confirm. The reset process will be triggered and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After completion, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will be back to normal operation and it will appear in front of us like when we bought a new phone, and the Android phone screen turns green can be solved. The last step. Retransfer your backed up data to the Android device. Method 6 is to repair the hardware. If you still can't fix a green screen on an Android phone, send the phone to an after-sales repair center. This may be a hardware problem. If it is a hardware problem, you can either repair it or replace it. Do-it-yourself screen replacement requires experience in phone repairs, as it is easy to cause more damage. If it is an old phone, the repair may not be cost-effective. In this case, you should consider buying a new phone. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comments section. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.